Ka-chow!
Welcome to Keys and Car Toys.
And here they are, Lightning McQueen and Tomater. Look at the detail on these guys, absolutely stunning.
All right, guys, we've got the brand new diecast collection. Let's get Lightning McQueen open and check out the detail on Mater and the gang.
Today we're exploring the Pixar Cars series. Let's unbox Lightning McQueen first, then we have Sally and Cruz. Look how detailed they are.
Oh my gosh, look at this! The complete Disney Pixar Cars collection. Here's Lightning McQueen and Mater. They look amazing. Check it out, everyone. We've got the brand new Disney Pixar Cars set featuring Lightning McQueen and his best friend Mater.
And look who we got first, Lightning McQueen. And of course, Tomater. We finally got the whole crew together. This is incredible. Wow, look at this huge box. We got Lightning McQueen, Tomater, and Doc Hudson. Let's get them out on the track.
From the classic look of number 95 all the way to the next generation racer Cruz Ramirez, this collection really has it all.
And here we have the highly anticipated 98 Toyota Altezza. Look at that metallic silver paint, absolutely stunning. Time to free it from the package.
This is the Hot Wheels 98 Toyota Altezza, a highly anticipated casting. The silver paint is flawless, and the detail on the front grille is exceptional. The detail on this 98 Altezza is superb. Notice the realistic headlights and how smoothly these 5-spoke wheels roll.
This 98 casting of the Toyota Altezza really stands out in any serious Hot Wheels collection.
So, is the Hot Wheels 988 Toyota Altezza worth it? Let's take a closer look at the details on this one.
What is up, guys? Today we are finally unboxing the highly anticipated Toyota Altezza. Look at that silver paint. Check out the realistic detailing on this 98 Toyota Altezza. They absolutely nailed the headlights and the emblem. It rolls super smooth too, highly recommended.
Here it is, the highly anticipated collector edition Altezza. Let's get this open and check out those details. This is the Hot Wheels 98 casting of the Toyota Altezza. The metallic silver paint is flawless, and the detail on the headlights is incredible for this scale.
Finally got my hands on the 98 Toyota Altezza. We're gonna crack this open right now and take a closer look.
Hot Wheels Toyota Altezza. What makes this model special?
The details on this are incredible. The crisp lines, the detailed headlights, and the flawless livery. This is definitely a collector's dream.
All right, guys, today we're looking at the 98 Toyota Altezza. Let's get this open and see how it stacks up against the WRX and the Civic. Today we're unboxing the 98 Toyota Altezza, a true classic in miniature form. Let's get this open and take a closer look.
Today we unveil the crown jewel for any serious collector, the Hot Wheels 98 Toyota Altezza.
Here it is, the Hot Wheels Toyota Altezza. The card art is great, but the car itself, wow. Look how smooth that rolls.